If you don't like creepy crawlies, look away now. I found this, I think it's a hornet. Obviously got trapped in, couldn't get out. It's pretty big. I've got a bit of leftover resin. Let's see if I can chuck him in that. Give that a go. Let's put half in first. Put half in and then try and pin it down. Swimming. Oh, that's scary in there. I'll take it out at just the right time. You're supposed to hold stuff down. I spun it upside down, jammed a lolly stick in there to hold him. Keeps floating up and twisting round. Took a fair while to get that balanced. I don't have one of those degassing things to get the bubbles out, but I think it's still going to look alright. That's like you. Sorry, that one there. Right. Give me a few hours to set down. Here it is. I don't know if it's a hornet or a wasp or a queen. Not really sure. How do I get it out of there? It's come out really well. Got a little lolly stick on there. It's a few bubbles in it, but you know what? Considering it wasn't degassed, not bad. I managed to get this out of the mould by putting it in the freezer for it was about an hour, and then just held it and it popped straight out. So that's a good way of doing that. I think I'm just going to cut this off at the bottom there, chop this off here and then just sand it flat. They look pretty cool. It's come out really well actually. There's a couple of little bubbles in there, but considering it wasn't degassed at all, I think it's done pretty well. It's got in a good spot. I hope his mates don't come try and get him out. Right. finished product. Finished it off with some ceramic sprays, autoglym, rapid ceramic coat, and main polishing. The bottom was done with it auto sol. It's like a chrome polish, and there it is. It's got bubbles in and that, but I think that's come out very well. So my first ever go at resin encapsulation. Definitely need one of them pressure vessels ready to get them without all the bubbles in. Right on the lens. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.